Hello y'all, this is the backup battery that I purchased in Goodwill. The listed price is $15, but I able to get a discount for $11. It's made by CyberPower, 825 ABR, which means 825 watts. Okay, it has 8 ports in total. The main purpose of this 4 back here, this is connected to the battery, so whenever the power goes out, the relay senses it. It will sense, or it will switch to the battery mode right away, which provide power to the electronics device. All ports are surge protector. Okay. Oh well, the actually the battery, the size is UB1270, 6 inches length, 2.5 inches width, and 3.5 inches height. It cost me $15 in total of $25 into everything, brand new battery or battery. So it's kind of like messy right now. So the mainly use for this one is for my screen or monitor, and this PC and that monitor right there. Alright, spend your money wisely. Ciao.